Tired of manually filling out the same Google Docs templates over and over? Let's ditch the copy pasting and automate that process with Zapier. First, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Choose the app that will trigger your document creation. This could be anything: a new row in Google Sheets, a form submission, or even a new lead in your CRM. For this example, let's use Google Sheets as our trigger. Connect your Google Sheets account and select a specific spreadsheet and worksheet containing the data you want to use. Zapier will then ask you to select a trigger event. Choose new spreadsheet, row, or the appropriate option based on your use case. Next, add a new action step and search for Google Docs. Select Create Document from Template. Connect your Google Docs account, and then you'll see a field for template document. Click the drop-down and choose the Google Docs template you prepared. Make sure your template has placeholders, like curly braces, where you want the data to go, for instance, name or date. Now comes the magic. Zapier will show you a list of those placeholders from your Google Docs template. For each placeholder, click into the field and select the corresponding data field from your Google Sheets trigger. This tells Zapier which data to insert where. You can also customize the new document's name and location. In Google Drive, use data from your trigger to dynamically name the file. Once you've mapped all the fields and configured the settings, test your Zap. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap and watch the magic happen. Now every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet, a new Google Doc will be created and automatically populated with the data.